Hi, and welcome back to Scratch. Today, we're going to make Spanish rice. If you'd like to support the channel, please like and share this recipe. For this, we'll need 1 Anaheim or Poblano pepper, half of a yellow onion, 1 1/4 cups of chicken broth, a cup of long grain rice, a 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, a tablespoon of minced garlic, a tablespoon of butter, a half teaspoon of chili powder, a half teaspoon of cumin, and a 1/4 teaspoon of salt. We'll start by melting our butter over medium heat. Then we'll seed and dice our pepper, and peel and dice half of our onion, reserving the other half for another recipe. After preparing our vegetables, we'll add our cup of rice and our chopped pepper and onion to our melted butter and cook, stirring occasionally for about 6 minutes. After 6 minutes, we'll add in our tablespoon of garlic, half teaspoon of chili powder, half teaspoon of cumin, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and cook until fragrant, about another 2 minutes. Then we'll add our 1 1/4 cups of chicken broth and 1/4 cup of tomato sauce, and stir until well combined. We'll allow this to come to a simmer, and then reduce heat to low, cover our rice, and allow it to cook for 15 minutes before removing it from the heat and allowing it to sit covered for an additional 5 minutes until all the liquid is absorbed. We'll fluff our rice with a fork and serve it as a side. And remember, if you like the content, please subscribe.